I know, guys, it's pretty sunny, but I can't even see myself. And I'm going to be riding a foiler, as you can hear. And I'm doing it one-handed. I can do it by myself, guys. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Just a second. Nice and guys. Woo! My dad said go slow. I can go fast though, guys. It's fun going fast. He said go slow because I'm one-handed, and he's worried because I've wrecked once. And yeah. Whoa! That's crazy. Jeez. Jeez. Guys, I'm gonna come up to this bottom more often now. Guys, I love this. I'm gonna come up to this bottom more often just in case you didn't hear me. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I'll upload when I get back home. I'm up here at the camper right now. I'll show you. Woo! See you guys.